Hello friends, this is Mohammad Shahzad, and in this lecture I am going to show you the endocrine glands of our body. So in this board diagram you can see the endocrine gland of the male and the female body, like the pineal body, pituitary gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, thymus, stomach, pancreas, adrenal gland, kidney, intestine, and the gonads like the testes in the male and ovary in the female. So today I'm going to show you the location of the endocrine gland. So let's have a look on the location of the different endocrine gland. So let's start with the pineal gland location. Pineal gland, it is present in between the cerebral hemisphere, where it is attached to the roof of third ventricle in the rear portion of the brain. So you can see here the pineal body as a pineal gland in the male brain and the female brain. Then the next gland, pituitary gland. This is the pineal gland and this is the pituitary gland in the male body, and this is the pineal gland of the female and the pituitary gland of the female body. So you can see here the male body and the female body. This is the sign of maleness in a medical field, and this is the sign of femaleness. So the position of the pituitary gland, which is also known as the master gland. So pituitary gland is located just below the hypothalamus, and it is lodged in a depression of the sphenoid bone of the skull, which is called sella turcica, and it is connected with the brain by means of a short thin stalk-like structure known as infundibulum. So this is the position or a location of the pituitary gland, located just below the hypothalamus in the region of the brain. Then the thyroid gland. You can see here the thyroid gland in the male and the thyroid gland in the female. The position of the thyroid gland, it surrounds the front of the larynx and the upper part of the trachea in the region of neck. Then comes the parathyroid. You can see here the parathyroid. The parathyroid position. The parathyroid gland, it is situated on the posterior surface of the lobe of thyroid gland, and generally it is wholly or partly embedded in the thyroid gland. You can see here it is wholly or partly embedded in the thyroid gland, present at the upper surface or posterior surface of the thyroid gland. Then the thymus. Thymus gland, it is situated in the upper part. This is thymus. And it is situated in the upper part of the thorax and near the side of the heart. It is situated at the upper part of the thorax and near the side of the heart. You can see here here is the position of the heart, and near the heart it is present in the upper part of the thorax region in the male as well as in the female body. Then the pancreas. Pancreas is, you can see here this pancreas. So this pancreas is situated below the stomach in a band of a duodenum. It is situated below the stomach, this is stomach, and it is present below the stomach in a band of a duodenum. Then the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is actually present in a pair. You can see this adrenal gland here. This is kidney actually, and on the kidney you can see this adrenal gland. So adrenal gland is a pair structure, and it is located at the top of the right side kidney. You can see here at the top of the right side kidney this adrenal gland is there, as a left side kidney also. Then the kidney. You can see here this kidney in both the female and the male body. So the position of the kidney, it is present in the abdominal cavity, attached to the muscles of the back just below the stomach. So you can see here this kidney, the pair of kidney present in the abdominal cavity just below the stomach, attached to the back side muscles. So this is the position of kidney. Then the gonads. Gonads are actually known as sex gland, and it is divided into two types. In the male it is called testes, and in the female it is called ovaries. So both are present in the pairs. So let's see the position of the ovaries in the female as a sex gland, and in the female these ovaries are situated in the pelvic cavity in the abdominal region. In the pelvic cavity in the abdominal region these ovaries are present, while the location of the testes in a pair, it is actually situated in the scrotum of the male. So you can see these testes here in the scrotum, enclosed in a scrotum, and this is about the different endocrine gland in the body of the male. Let's have one more look on the endocrine gland. So pineal body in this region, pituitary gland here, this is pituitary gland, thyroid in this region, in the neck region, parathyroid at the posterior side surface of the thyroid, in the thymus at the upper thorax region, in the stomach, then pancreas, then the adrenal gland, then kidney, intestine, testes only in the male body here, and ovary only in the female body as a gonads. So this is about the endocrine gland of the male and female human body. Thank you very much. Keep subscribing my channel, like it, share it, and comments whatever you want to learn from me. Thank you very much.